Hi besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. My name is Gigi. I started this video a little bit different for two reasons. The first one, to apologize that A, I did not have a video for you guys yesterday. There's a story behind that. And B, to let you know what we have named our girl. Now this, I'm not going to show you too close because this is the video that you're about to watch. So from there, really, you're just seeing that they're pink nails, I hope. I guess you could really, pause the video, snap a pic, and, whatever, screenshot it. But why would you're about to watch this video. But anyway, her new name, dun, 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 dun. After the poll was up on 3 different platforms, and it going back and forth between Sally and Patsy, may I introduce you to Patsy. It ended up being 50-50 on TikTok between Patsy and Sally, but Instagram tipped it over the edge with a big margin for Patsy. So Patsy it is, which is awesome and cool because Ab Fab is one of my favorite shows. And that's who she's going to be in honor of. And also Patsy Cline, because hello, girl got pipes. Okay, so the reason there was no video yesterday, I worked really hard on a video. I taped it. I did a super, super cute set. And then when I went to start editing it, I realized I was almost completely out of frame the entire video. There was so little footage that it wouldn't have even made a midweek mini. I can't tell you how furious I was with myself, and still a little bit am. After like 6 months of making videos, I should be better. And I'm very angry with myself that I'm not. And that I tried to make another set, but I couldn't get the camera to record what I was doing correct. It was such a mess. And I tried to salvage it. Nothing more. Have you ever had one of those days where literally everything you touch just turns to crap? Half the day yesterday was like that for me, because the beginning of the day was great. I did my hair and I had fun with my dog, and I got videos done for the other channel, and I took care of some things that needed to be handled, and it all went smoothly. And I even cut my hair, right? I even did a little trim. All of it went well. And it was like, once I sat down to edit the video and realized the footage was there, it was something about my energy changed, and everything I touched after that was bad. So I couldn't make it happen, and I wanted to come and just do a live stream with you guys to show you how I've done the set. I couldn't make that work, and it was a day. So there you go. I'm gonna leave it at that. Sit tight, because up next is how I created this set, which you've already seen it. You saw the thumbnail. I'm so ridiculous, but it's inspired by Lil Nas X's Grammy outfit, which he was so fire in that thing. Oh, I couldn't help but be inspired. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye guys. Okay besties, let's get started. So what we're doing here is making a thin layer of that light pink yayoge builder gel. They call it light pink, but really it's a nude color. I don't think it's really that pink at all, honestly, but that's the color it is light pink. And so we're just laying down a very thin layer, and the reason we're doing that is that I am going to encapsulate the lines that I create to make that mesh, because when you look at his outfit, part of it is a mesh shirt, and so we are going to mimic that on this nail with some pink lines, and then over the mesh shirt he had some straps, like pink straps with studs and stuff. So we're going to mimic that whole look on this one nail. And then the rest of the nails are going to be pink with some studs and stuff to sort of mimic the rest of the outfit that he was wearing. So now what we're doing here is I'm taking some pink, some of that pink cream gel from modelones, and I'm adding a little white to it because I really like the pink color, but I just wanted to bring it down a tiny bit. And I do actually add a little more white than that because I wanted it even a little bit more muted down, because that is a pretty fuchsia pink. So we wanted to just, I just wanted to bring it. See, I like this color right here. And it still isn't a perfect match for his outfit. Not even close. I don't have that color. I don't know how long it would take me to recreate that color. So I just went with what I liked. As soon as I saw the color I was feeling, I went on ahead and went for it. And I'm just wiping that off with the paper. This is just backing paper. Now with a long striper brush, we're going to go ahead and go in and make those lines. And that lines, we're going to go one way with them, and then we're going to go the other way with them to make that mesh. And I will say, I think the lines came out a little thicker than I wanted them to, but also I feel like because I do encapsulate it, and then I do that, the strap look over the top, that if I hadn't made them large like this, larger than I thought I wanted, that maybe they wouldn't have shown up that much. So honestly, I'm kind of okay with it. Kind of okay with it. So now we went the one way. I debated whether or not I wanted to cure in between, but I figured if I did, it would really make a raised, weird look on the crosses, where it crosses over each other. So I decided not to. And of course, I make a couple dots here and there on Patsy, but I do clean that up, of course, before we cure. Although I got some up on her finger, and I'm sure you'll see that at some point, and I did not realize it was there before I cured, so I'm going to have to scrub that off of her, but it will come off, so it's not the end of the planet. And now we're just going to clean it up a little bit, and then we're going to cure it and encapsulate that. And it's good to use a stiff brush when you're cleaning up on Dolly, or not Dolly, it's not Dolly, it's Patsy. And now I'd already put the slip layer down, as you can see, and now I'm just going in with the clear pink builder gel to encapsulate that all in. And I like how you can see the nude peeking out from behind the mesh. I just really think it mimics the look of a shirt really nicely, actually. And then, oh, look, there's some on the other side too. Look, you can see where I got some of the pink polish up on her. Now, I did, when she came out of the lamp, and wow, I jumped way too far ahead. Basically, I finished all the nails and filed off camera. And then I went on ahead and did a base coat just to smooth everything out. I did, you know, buff it out, but you never get all the scratches. And I've just become obsessed with base coat. So there you go. So now I'm just cleaning up the lines so that we really get that look of the straps. And there I am, just cleaning up a little mess because I keep making a mess. It's a messy process, guys. If you try to do this, you tell me if you have better techniques to get this done without making such a huge mess, because you know your girl is always trying to learn. Did you guys watch Nailed by Nikki's video? I think it was yesterday, where she opened up her packages at the post office. Oh my goodness, wasn't that so funny? Shout out to Nikki, if you guys are in the nail crew. Nail crew. We're the bestie band over here, I guess. I don't know. No, we're just the besties. And now I'm coming in. I cured that. And then we're coming in with the second strap. And we do a third one down at the bottom as well. But I love how the mesh just peeks through from the straps, right? And that's exactly how his look is. So, and then we're going to jazz it up here in a little bit with some, I don't put the studs on the straps. I put little circles, almost like grommets. So, my look is inspired by his, but I did not try to completely mimic it because his outfit is just so fire and there's no way I'm going to be able to exactly match it. So I didn't try to, I just tried to give the flavor. And now we're going to come in. Oh, I did that last strap off camera, guys. You see it at the bottom there? It was a mistake. I did not press record. And I debated. I just really debated on whether or not I wanted to outline these in black. But in the end, I just figured yes, because they don't stand out enough against the mesh without something to really just outline that they're there. So I went on ahead and did the black. This is the Born Pretty art gel in the pot. In the little gel pots. And I do clean that little mess up right there. That's a little mess. We don't leave it. We don't leave it. As you can see, there we go. We're coming in to clean it up. So I've been watching The Chilling Adventures of Sabrina. Actually, I kind of forgot about it. I only watched part of the second season, and so I'm catching up now, and then I'll watch the third one. I don't review it for my other channel or anything, but it's just a fun, silly little show, isn't it? Now we've got all the nails painted, and they're all painted in the same pink. And then we have got some base coat down on that strapped nail, and what we're going to do is add the little grommets. And whoo, not as much the grommets, but the little studs that we put on there, they did not want to stay in space, in their spaces. You will see. You will see. You know what I love about this strap nail is that it almost looks like it's a cartoon. I don't know. It's just so cool. I think so. You'll have to let me know if you agree. Because maybe you don't. Maybe you think it's cheesy and ridiculous. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know you. Maybe you don't like grommets. But I bet you do. Seriously? I used the grommets because I didn't think I had enough of the studs, and I was right. And also, just because like it gave it sort of a belt feel. Do you know what I mean? I just really liked that like 70s belt feel sort of look. And now I'm just coming in with some top coat, and then we're going to add the bling on here. Now it's mostly just the little studs, but I do add one little crystal on each nail. Now the reason I do the studs and the crystals in the directions that I do in the pattern that I do is because if you look at his outfit, some of the studs on his outfit actually make that pattern as well, and so I was trying to mimic that a little bit. I don't think I did it exactly the way that it is on his outfit, but again, this is an inspiration piece. It's not a complete, there's no way I can make a set of nails look exactly like an outfit, right? I can just mimic things. And so that's what we did today. We just did that a little bit. I didn't like the look of that one, so I just knocked it off and let it fall down and brought in a different one. It was like some of the shine was rubbed off on part of it, and I just didn't really love that. Okay, I'm going to struggle here for a minute. Then I'm going to get frustrated and pick it up. And there we go. There we go. We're going to add another and another. And this time I just put it right in my hand because I was so irritated. Sometimes, all right, now you let me know in the comment section below. Sometimes does the bling make you so mad? Like you love it, but it's so hard to put on. You're just getting so furious. Like look at that on the finger on the left. Look at how it's just sliding off. And I know I see it right there. Oh my goodness. Now I'm going to get the little flashlight, and I do cure it before I notice that, but we fix it. We fix it. We fix it. And I do come in with a little more top coat just to smooth things out there. I didn't like where that one was either, and so I move it a little. And now I'm going to cure it, but we do come back and top coat those nails a little better because you don't want to leave it looking like that. Seriously. Seriously. So, did you guys watch the Grammys? Did you like Lil Nas X's outfit? Did you think it was cute? You got to let me know. And also, if you did watch it, whose was your favorite? I have to say, it's kind of, I didn't watch it, but I saw a lot of the fashion because I love fashion. I don't know why I let this go like this. Interesting. I don't normally do that. Sorry about that, you guys. But that didn't get cut out. But I really liked Lizzo's dress before she took it off and the lingerie was underneath, which that was cool too. But it wasn't really lingerie, though. It was more like a suit, like a little spandexy bodysuit. But that dress, it was like the night sky wrapped around her body. It was so beautiful. I loved it. And Billy Porter's outfit was such fire. I loved how he could close his hat and just shut you out. Now, because I just had to, I haven't used this yet, and it matches this pink perfectly, went in with a little Modelones glitter gel because gotta have some glitter. And I know his outfit didn't have glitter, but he brings the glitter, so we're going to represent him with a glitter nail. And now we're just going to top coat right over those grommets, and we are going to top coat that glitter nail, and then boom. Oh, look at that glitter shine. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Guys, I absolutely had a blast creating this set. I hope you like it as much as I do. I hope it gives you so much life, so much drama, so much fire. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.